scene opens with upbeat music and a split screen showing the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop on the left and the Gorfinti Steam Mop on the right. Hey there, Buy Smart fans! Welcome back to our channel where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy showdown between the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Gorfinti Steam Mop, 10-in-1 multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner. It's the ultimate battle of the mops, and trust me, it's going to be a squeaky clean competition. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop comes in at $149, while the Gorfinti Steam Mop is priced a bit lower at $139. Amazon reviewers mention that the Gorfinti offers great value for its versatility and effectiveness, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking to save a few bucks. However, Shark users appreciate the quality and durability of their mop, often stating that it's worth the investment for its long-lasting performance. If you're looking to save while still getting a quality product, Gorfinti is calling your name. Now, let's scrub into functionality. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is designed specifically for floors, and reviewers rave about its ability to remove dirt and grease effectively, making it a solid choice for hard surfaces. On the other hand, the Gorfinti Steam Mop is the overachiever with its 10-in-1 capabilities, allowing it to clean various surfaces from floors to kitchens and even windows. Users love the versatility of the Gorfinti, stating it can tackle multiple cleaning tasks without harsh chemicals. If you want a straightforward, reliable mop, Shark has your back, but if versatility is what you need, Gorfinti is your mop. Next, we have heat up time. The Shark takes about 30 seconds to get steamy, which is appreciated by users who enjoy a quick clean. However, the Gorfinti heats up in just 20 seconds, making it a favorite among those who want to get the job done quickly. Reviewers of the Gorfinti mention that its fast heating is a game changer, allowing them to start cleaning right away. If you're in a hurry, Gorfinti might be the better option. Let's talk adjustability. The Gorfinti boasts 3 steam levels, which reviewers love for tackling everything from daily cleaning to tougher stains. In contrast, the Shark has a single steam setting, which some users find limiting. However, those who prefer simplicity appreciate the Shark's straightforward approach. If you want more control over your cleaning, Gorfinti is the way to go, while Shark keeps it simple for those who just want to clean. Now, let's get to the cord length. The Gorfinti features a generous 23-foot cord, allowing users to clean larger areas without switching outlets, which many reviewers find incredibly convenient. Meanwhile, the Shark has a shorter cord, which some users find limiting for larger spaces. If you want the freedom to move around while cleaning, Gorfinti definitely takes the win here. In summary, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its durability and effectiveness on hard floors, while the Gorfinti Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and value for money. Reviewers generally appreciate the performance of both mops, but preferences lean towards Gorfinti for those needing multiple cleaning solutions. So who wins this steamy showdown? If you want a straightforward, reliable mop, Shark has your back. But if you're looking for versatility and want to tackle every cleaning challenge like a pro, Gorfinti is your mop. Remember folks, whether you're Team Shark or Team Gorfinti, just make sure to buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun. Product links are in the description.